up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. As you can probably tell by the title, this video is going to be kind of like a vlog about a cruise that I just got back from. While I was on a cruise, I vlogged a little bit of what I was doing, what I was eating, some of the events on the cruise, and some things like that. So I went on a 4-day cruise. We left on a Thursday evening. We came back on a Monday morning. The name of the cruise line is Carnival. The name of the actual ship that I was on was called the Carnival Glory. So we sailed from New Orleans, Louisiana to Cozumel, Mexico. We made it to Cozumel by, I want to say 8 a.m. Saturday morning. We stayed in Cozumel the whole day. Well, we left it we had to be back on the ship for 4 p.m. that Saturday. And then that Sunday, we cruised back for the whole day and we made it back to New Orleans at 8 a.m. Monday. There were a lot of events on the cruise. Cruises nowadays are like floating hotels. Like literally, they're like floating resort style hotels. So once we got to Cozumel, Mexico, we decided that we wanted to go ATV riding in the jungle, which was super fun. There were actually like 2 caves that we got to view in the jungle. So one of the caves was above a body of water where you can actually jump from the cave into the water. I think they said it was like, the jump was 60 feet and then the water was 30 feet deep. There were so many bats, so that was pretty cool. It was just such a cool experience. So after we were done riding the ATVs in the jungle, we went to a beach. The beach that we went to was called Paradise Beach. So we ended our day in Mexico by doing a little bit of shopping, and that was pretty much it. Then we headed back to the cruise ship.
This is where you jump from, y'all.
Oh no. I'm scared.
Anybody jumping?
I want to, but I'm scared. I'm scared.
It's right there. They got a ladder right there. You climb up the ladder.
When you jump, just put your hands like that, okay, together. Yeah.
Oh man, somebody should be down there so they can keep.
Yeah, recorder. If you're gonna record, I suggest you record from the bottom.
How you get to the bottom?
You can tell how high it is. From
Okay,
the top,
let me
you
get to
can't
the
see.
bottom.
How you get to the bottom? Here, take them out.
The color of the water, you see? It's green like the gemstone. Yeah. Like you say, it comes from the depths of water.
I didn't know there was
It's cold. It's cold. Actually, it's cold water.
Top water, clear water.
Cold water, yeah.
Rainwater, groundwater, and salt water.
like one of them boardwalk games.
Oh, okay. Oh, got bags in here too. Oh, they got boo-boo bags. Look. Oh, it's clear.
That's the water?
Yeah, that's the water.
Oh wow, look how clear that water is.
Look how clear the water is.
It is really clear.
But it's fresh, the water.
Y'all got it? Hold on. Okay, recording?
Recording?
Yeah, it's recording. Oh, all them bats about to come too. Oh, Jesus. I got you. Yeah.
I want to jump now. How much?
You can stand up or y'all just swimming?
Wait, my shoe. There we go. Oh my God.
Not I. This was literally so amazing. I did not dive inside of the cave water because I did not come prepared to get soaking wet. I wore makeup and a dress. So beautiful. What that say?
Tequila when they go making, they use químico sugar, a lot of stuff in this tequila.
That's good.
One of those. You sure?
Still give me one. You don't drink.
It's different.
What I did the most on the cruise ship was eat. I ate, like, I'm telling y'all, like, I ate even when I wasn't hungry. The food is not that good, but it's like, it's free. So it's just like, if you just have a free cheeseburger sitting right here, like, why would you just not take a bite off of it? Like, that don't make sense. We ate breakfast and lunch every day. Then there was food throughout the day. And then every night we had a dinner at 8:15. One thing that I didn't get to do that I really wanted to do was go to the spa that was on the cruise. I wanted to go to the spa and get my nails done. But y'all, that costed a lot of money, so I was like, I can do that for cheaper at home. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. While I was on the cruise, I tried my best to live in the moment, you know, and actually have fun. So I didn't get to record as much footage as I would have liked to record, But if you're considering going on a cruise for the very first time, I would say go for it. I think that it's something that everyone should experience at least once in life. Enjoy yourself and have a great time.